Good afternoon, sir. My name is Glenn Jim Largumanid. I'm J2U student. Admiralty to mariners. These are the official announcements made by maritime authorities to inform mariners about important safety information and change, such as modification to the chart used during eviction, new or modified regulation for navigation that influence the navigation and provide more relevant data that may have an impact on the security of the vessel and overseas. In addition to the weekly edition 20, this is most likely relies to a specific documents released or publication that our government organize, interferes or establish may perform on a weekly basis. This date, May 26, 2024, correspond to a certain data on the calendar and the informants that vary depending or on month competition in may be crucial for planning events and coordinating activities or producing. Admiralty charts affected by the publication list when and the publishing list affects the accessibility standards because it shows whether permitted publication was like timetable or sailing instruction have been updated to reflect the latest knowledge offered by experienced sailor. For safe marine navigation, ship can obtain detailed information about the depth of the coastline and the potential hazard from armament chart that the charts used by sailors for navigation planning, safety, and easy stream crossing. So this is the number chart of Henry I. West in the Nescuba Northwest Coast, Bahia de Mariel, and approach to Bahia de Mariel. The purpose of the Admiralty chart 4110 title West Indian Cuba Northwest Coast, Bahia de Mariel, and approach to provide detailed navigation information that mariners navigating the Bahia de Mariel is approaching along the northwest coast Cuba. May 30, 2024 is the date on which the Admiralty chart and publishing will be released. Adequacy charge and publishing to be published. This section was most likely provides a timeline or strategy for navigation charts and release. The publication will be soon released by the Admiralty. The publication of the Admiralty chart is scheduled for May 30, 2024. On May 13, 2024, specific new edition of the Admiralty chart will be released. The following section provides schematic diagram as mentioned of chart 114, which will be modified to resure in update version the area surrounding of Bahia Sangal Uda and the Milaha and in Milana is covered by chart number 114. Malaysia approach to Bilabunan Sungai Uda, Malaysia